Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for today. So not much changed yesterday. We did end up with a bit of a range bar, and it does look like there are some sellers above here. And the best place we're going to see that is on a lower time frame. So let me just move down to the hour, and you'll see the whole of yesterday was pretty much range bound with people selling off the top here. Now, if I just fine tune that on the hour, there's our level that that they're selling off at the moment at 35,327, and we're very much in a tight range at the moment. Now, this is replicating pretty much what's going on the stock markets at the moment. So if you look at the 4-hour, it gives you a much clearer view of what's going on. What I do like about this situation at the moment is that we are bouncing between the 33 and 66 EMA. So we're bouncing in amongst the moving averages. If you're looking at this on a Bollinger Band, you'd start be looking for a Bollinger Squeeze to happen soon. So I wouldn't say anything's there yet, but pretty much just drifting around aimlessly at the moment. Now, the key thing to bring into the picture at the moment is the monthly. We just wait for my data to come through, but the monthly is the important chart at the moment, because that's going to give you a clear picture of what is going on. And if you look at what's happening at the moment, we have a massive range bar that is forming. You can see my levels are pretty much top and bottom of that range at the moment, and we are in the middle of the range. So that is classic price action when we start talking about a consolidation for a breakout. Now, the breakout can go either way. Okay, let's not pretend that it's going to go to the moon or be a perma bear. Be prepared for a breakout that can go either way. That's the key thing here. So the trend was up, extremely overbought, came back down. Nice deep retracement at the moment. So odds favor a continuation to the upside. Okay, more often than not, that's what happens. V reversals are typically rare unless you are trading the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones, because their V reversals are common. So with all of that in mind, I'd still sit on the side. Wait, this could be a head and shoulders. This could just be a consolidation for a move up. We need to get above the monthly high here and the monthly low at the moment. So, below the monthly low for shorts and above the monthly high for long. So 4,100 is the area we're looking to break to the upside. And if we do get below 29,400, then we have some serious downside still to come. So that's kind of the view at the moment. And I think I just want to close off with one little thing, but let's just clear all the junk here, because there is something which is glaringly obvious as well, which we haven't actually looked at. And it's that trend line. So I think I should be able to extend it further, sort of. But I think the fractal here is the important one. Then you've got fractals here, lines up beautifully. And you can see how we're flirting with that trend line at the moment. What does that mean? Well, there's multiple ways of doing this, but the beauty about Bitcoin is that once it's picked an area, that's typically what happens. So you can see fractal, fractal, fractal. So that's the other thing that is brewing, is a little bit of a wedge. And I could widen the wedge as well if I really wanted to, into something like that, and that would be my consolidation wedge. So obviously we need to get above this previous high here. It's 40,100 area. That's kind of, no, sorry, it's a close. The high is 41,300. So 41,300 is the area which would basically break this wedge, and that would give you confirmation for a bigger move to the upside. So my advice at the moment, wait. It's pointless jumping in at the moment. We are range bound end of the month, so you probably expect more consolidation today and tomorrow, and probably pick it up later in the week or early next week and see what's transpiring there. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.